To conduct a Rennie test, you'll need a 512 Hz tuning fork, the same one used in a Weber test, and you'll need a patient with suspected hearing loss in one of their ears. We will be testing this patient's right ear, assuming that he has suspected hearing loss in that right ear. To carry out a Rennie test, you want to strike your fork, and then, without disturbing the vibrating tines, place the base of your tuning fork on the mastoid process. This is the bony process just posterior to the ear. You'll then want to hold it there until your patient notifies you that they no longer can hear the noise. You'll then take your tuning fork, and it depends on the authority that you ask, you'll either hold it like this or like this. In either case, you'll hold it there until again the patient notifies you that they can no longer hear the noise. If the patient can hear the noise twice as long in the air as they do when the tuning fork is on their mastoid process, that's a normal hearing, and that's a sign of normal hearing, and the patient does not have hearing loss in that right ear. If the patient hears the sound more in the air than on the bone, that could possibly indicate a sensory neural hearing loss. However, if the patient hears the sound longer on the bone, or just as much time as they do on the bone as in the air, then you have conductive hearing loss in that right ear.